Vejle is a city in Denmark, placed in Jylland. It's the ninth biggest city in Denmark. It's a place where you can come close to Danish history, with museums and monuments like Egtvedpigen and the Cultural Historical Museum of Vejle. You can easily explore the Danish history.
Vejle is well known for the impressive architecture with buildings like Bølgen og De Fem Søstre.
The shape of the valley in Vejle is created by the ice and water from a long time ago.
Welcome to Vejle! Are you looking for a cozy vacation and amazing surroundings? Then we have the right solution just for you. Vejle is well known for the beautiful green nature, so take a ride on your bike, go fishing, or just take a walk and breathe in the fresh nature. Try one of the many golf pitches in the area and swing the golf club like Tiger Woods would have done. For sure you will enjoy one of the many beautiful sights or outdoor experience the city of Vejle has to offer. In the main street of Vejle you can go shopping and take a look at one of the many interesting shops, or you can just take a seat in one of the many cafes or restaurants and enjoy a fresh pint or a glass of wine. We have several easy and delicious solutions for you when it comes to food. With many interesting restaurants and cafes in the street of Vejle, it is guaranteed that you can get a nice meal. The opportunities are many, so what are you waiting for? Come to Vejle and experience the well-known Danish hygge. You won't regret, we guarantee you that. If you have any questions, you are welcome to write or call us. We are here wherever and whenever. So without further ado, there is only thing left to say. See you in the city of Vejle.
3 good reasons to choose Vejle. The city of Vejle has a lot of culture to offer with many interesting and historical moments. Vejle is in the middle of Denmark, so the top attraction won't be more than a short trip away. The European kitchen is well known, so come and explore one of the many dishes yourself. In Denmark, your education is paid by the Danish government, and the government has a responsibility for the individual. In England, the people are having a responsibility for each other. We see that the English people buying food for the homeless, which make England a more caring country.